Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn about multiple effects. So in my previous video, I have explained how to use an effect and what is the purpose of the effect. But in this video, we will see how many effects we can add and what are the different ways we can do these effects in our SolidJS component. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code for better understanding. Now previously we have only one signal and we are using this signal inside one particular effect. So this I have explained in my previous video itself. Now I'll try to create one more, but before that I'll just run this. And now let me go and create one more, that is nothing but const count and set count. So let me use a create signal for this and let me use it as 0. Now what I'll do is I'll just create one more button where it will update my count value. So let me use a count value update, and here let me use a count to update the value of that count. We'll use this set count and it will be incremented by 1. Now what I want to do is whenever there is an update age, I want to do some set of operation, and that logic should be executed only when there is an update in the age. Now I have one more logic which should be executed when my count gets incremented. That means I'll write one more effect. So you can write n number of effects, but each and every effect will execute in a way where that particular signals gets updated. For example, here only I'm using age. When there is an update in the age, these effects will be executed. And let me write the same thing, but this time I'll not use age, I'll use count. So this particular effect will execute when there is an update in the count. So let me use something like count and save this. Now let me go here, clear this off, reload. First time both has been called. Now let me update the age. Only age has been called. Let me clear this off. Let me click on updated count. So only count has been called and it gets incremented, and the count is only getting incremented, not the age. Let me hit this, only the age is getting incremented. So whenever there is an update in the count, this particular effect is executing. Whenever there is an update in the age, this particular effect is invoking. Now let me use one more effect which is a combination of both. So this effect will be a callback function. Inside this callback function, let me copy this and put it over here. I'll use both count as well as age. So let me save this. Now go here, clear this off and reload. Now you have two things here. One is age update and count update, and there are three effects. One is age effect, count effect, and combination of both. For that sake, let me use my age or count. I'm just using or count and save this. Now let me go here, click on age. Age is getting updated. Along with the age, it is calling age or count because my age is getting updated, not the count. But whenever I update count, it will call two effects. One is my count and one is age or count, because age or count is using count as a dependency as well as age as a dependency. This effect will be executed in both the cases, whenever it gets updated with the age, whenever it gets updated with the count. So that's about your effects. We can use multiple effects, and that multiple effects will be invoked based on the signals which are used inside that particular component. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.